For number 22, if we're going to try to figure out how many tons this space shuttle weighs, what we need to do is look at what units are involved to start out with. So the two units we have on this problem are pounds and tons. So the conversion in the book it shows on page 307 is that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So what we talked about was that we can make a proportion out of this. So if 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, we're going to set that equal to something else. And this other fraction has to be proportional, or has to be like an equivalent fraction. So if we know that it weighs about 4.5 million pounds, if you look at your units, what we want to do is put the same units across from each other. So 4.5 million pounds, we want to put that across from the pounds. So that would be 4,500,000 pounds. And we're trying to find how many tons that's equal to. So you can either put a box there, or you can put an X, some letter, to represent that we're going to try to find the tons. You could do T for tons if you want. And then what we're going to do is try to find a pattern. What can you multiply to go from one number to another, or what can you divide by to go from one number to another? So you know, we could look at how do we get from 2,000 to 4,500,000. A little bit simpler pattern would be, actually our pattern can go across or up and down. What you need to make sure of though is when you make the pattern, you want to be going towards what you're trying to find. So if I'm going up and down, in this case I want to go from the denominator to the numerator, because that's going towards what we're trying to find here. And this pattern's easier because there's a 1 involved with it. So to go from 2,000 to 1, you could divide by 2,000. 2,000 divided by 2,000 is 1. So the idea is, on this first fraction, if we go from the denominator to the numerator by dividing by 2,000, if this other fraction is also equivalent to that, then we should be able to do the same thing. We should also be able to divide by 2,000 to get from the denominator to the numerator. So what you could do then is just take 4,500,000 divided by 2,000, and you can do that on the calculator to make it quicker if you want. And then when you go to divide that out, that should give you your answer, and that should be 2,250 tons. Okay, so again, to start with is just looking at what units are involved in the problem, tons and pounds, and then we're just going to look for that conversion. How do these two units relate to each other? Look for that in the table in your book, and then try to create that equivalent fraction. Find the pattern, and then find your missing number. So hopefully this helped you. Hopefully this was an explanation that was helpful for figuring out how we got the answer to this problem. Have a good day.